This video is about the program format on the CNC Milling programming based for of the figure here. So basically the program format just contains three statements, which the first statement is known as the definition statement, and the second statement here is the machining statement, and the last statement here is the closing statement. So the term rows that we often use in our daily life is being replaced by the term block in the program format. So the first block actually here is the program number or the name of our program, and the second block here is the safety condition that we want to use. It consists of the list of G codes, where here is also when we want to put the machine into the default condition. And the T03 here in the next block refers to the number slot of tool, and the M06 here means tool change. And move on to the next block. Here the S refers to the spindle, and the 2000 is the spindle speed, and the F is the feed rate, and the 500 here means we've decided to use 500 millimeter per minute. So the M03 beside it is referred to the spindle on, and the M08 here referred to coolant on. So move on to the next block. Here is where we want to choose the coordinate format that we want. So me and my friend, we've decided in the second statement later we will use in terms of the absolute command coordinate. So that's why we put here G90. Okay, and then in the last block here, the Z negative 3.0 means the depth cut that we want. Okay, so move on to the second statement, which is the machining statement. The first block here refers to the point number 1, whereas the second block here refers to the point number 2. And so it moves until it comes back to the point number 1. So here the last block here comes back to the point number 1. Okay, so to do the machining statement, it is very simple. We just need the G code list and the X coordinate, the Y coordinate, and the radius. Okay, so the G01 here means linear interpolation, which means you just move in straight line. Okay, so the G03 here means what? It means circular interpolation anti-clockwise direction. So it is when the point from 2 to 3 move into the anti-clockwise direction. So the G02 here it means circular interpolation clockwise direction. Okay, and last but not least, the last statement, the Z150 here means we want to set the cutting tool into the Z direction for about 150 millimeter. Okay, and then the M05 here means spindle stop, and the M09 here means coolant off, and last but not least, in the last block here, which consists of the M30, it means program and with rewind. So that's it. I hope you guys understand it. Okay.